guys, it's Amy with Modern and Marie, and I am going to take you on a tour of our homeschool room, which isn't really a homeschool room. It is a shared space within our dining table. It's right next to our kitchen, and our living room's right there. We live in an apartment. I'm a single parent and we don't have a lot of space, so I'm just going to show you guys how we make it work. My style is very minimalist, black and white mostly. I do love pops of color. I like pink, I like the rainbow, you know, every once in a while, but I just didn't want the space to be like super overwhelming. I didn't want to necessarily create a classroom. One, we don't have the space, and two, it's kind of like why we're not homeschooling is we want to have a different vibe, you know? And a lot of the stuff I already owned. I will link anything that I have purchased that I can find links for, whether it's recently or it's been a while, I'll link it all below. Let's jump in. So the first up is this. There's nothing in them, I know, but these frames, it's kind of hard to open with one hand, but these frames open up. You have this like elastic here that you can store pictures and artwork in, and so I got two of these for the kids. We have our homeschool rooms here. I think I'm going to change this out. This was just a picture frame I already had. So we've got letter tracing practice. These were from the Target like dollar spot, I want to say last year, and then I just have like random printables in there, shapes and numbers, and then I do have one each for the kids that has like their full name, but not sharing that on the internet. So I got this and I was actually really impressed with the quality from Amazon. This just has all of our unit stuff in it so far. I'm going to start with space, and I've actually have a whole thing on like how I'm planning our unit studies, but just like all the little random things are in there for now until I get it all organized. Printer. I almost bought the Ego Tank, guys, but I just went with the HP Instant Ink. If you don't have it, you can use my link down below. I think it gives us both like a month free, but if you use my link, you get a discount, and so do I. So check that out if you have an HP printer. I don't think you have to spend the money on an Eco Tank. It just seems very expensive, to be honest. Here is just like paper, you know, printer paper, cardstock, etc. Fake flowers, because we kill everything that's a real plant in here. Hopefully we can grow something in the spring and not, but I got this globe a while ago. I'm not sure if if they still sell it at Target, but this was like for my office, so brought it out. Thought it was super cute. This is all of our like unit study books. I went a little crazy with books, which I'll do a video on, explaining all of the books in our units and how I'm planning everything. This acrylic container I've actually had for years. I think it's like a few different ones. I'm not sure. These might have been from the Container Store, and this was probably from Amazon. I used to be a makeup junkie, but I'm not so much anymore, and I was gonna get rid of it, but then I figured this was better. The kids can see, they know the color pencils are here. They know the crayons are here. They can figure that out. And then on our board here, this garland is actually, you know, pretty decent quality. It wasn't that expensive. I want to say it was less than 15 bucks on Amazon. Bulletin board. The kids are going to have their little sticker charts. I am a big fan of these Disney pins. I don't say I'm a collector, but I don't know, they're just cute. We love Disney in this house. Wall calendar from Amazon. It actually starts from July, but it goes all through 2023, and it's very like minimalist, so I love that. Over here we got this Home Sweet Homeschool. I'm not sure if I'm just gonna leave it like this or if I'm gonna put like vocab words or I don't know what things that we're learning about. I haven't decided. And then this is a dry erase magnetic board that I just put screws up crookedly to hang it to have, you know, space on the wall. And then down here, this is all of like my like teacher books. I'm gonna go through the curriculum and all this kind of stuff of what we're gonna use this year. These I just have had. The kids like to play school, so they each have a little workbook, and we've been doing that as we get ready to really start homeschool. This is for my daughter, and it's got like, you know, notepads and stuff for her to like doodle with. And then this is the curriculum for my son. All right, so this globe I got from Target on sale. Obviously I'm gonna paint it, just haven't gotten around to it just yet. This is a planter. It was either from Home Goods or Target, I think. It was a birthday gift, and the fake plant was from IKEA. This is a set of books that we're gonna use for read alouds, and I will link them below. Basket just holds like extra random things like batteries, tape, screwdriver, sewing kit, you know, random things that we need. Chatbooks, I'm obsessed with them. I will have a link for that as well. This is from IKEA, and then this is just a little picture holder, which I'm gonna take a little Polaroid and put that up there from the first day of school. All right, and then down here, the desk and this drawer is from IKEA. I actually have another one that technically was supposed to go on the other side, but I'm using that as a nightstand. And down here are these wiggle seats that I got for the kids. Actually, two different ones. I will link the one that I like better, which is this one. It has a paw print on it, if you can see. It's also dirty because they use it when they eat dinner, and I just have not cleaned them yet. So that's our space. I do have a hall closet that I have things stored in, just like those Rubbermaid drawers, and then on the shelf there are books and things for future units and things that we don't need often. More of like my kind of supplies in terms of like paint and Velcro tabs and glue and stuff. All right, so that is our homeschool space. I hope you like this video. I love looking at other people's spaces and how they arrange things and how theirs is decorated. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment below, and I will see you next Monday.